Morning, guys. It's about 8 a.m. I know it's a slippery slope. I gotta start earlier again. We're on a real slippery slope here. Got a couple things I want to work on today. More freebies, stuff I have sitting around in the garage. I'll kind of show you what I have in mind. And first I want to start with an unboxing. I got a bunch of boxes here and I have absolutely no clue what's in them. So they've been sitting here for a while. Let's get those opened up. Alright, got 3 boxes here. Let me grab the old box cutter. I don't even remember what it is I ordered. And one of these has Willow's name on it, but she gave it to me. I guess we'll start with that one. This is an idler pulley. This has nothing to do with Abel. This is for Subaru Outback or Subaru Baja. For all of my subscribers that are Subaru fanatics, there's a couple of different idler pulleys on the market. This is the all metal one. It is made by Continental. Let's see if I can get the part number to come up there. Ooh, that's going to be tough. The part number is... I don't know if you can see that. 49029. This is the all metal one. All the cheap ones that are like $6 and stuff are plastic and they fall apart and scream. They're really annoying, but Willow's went out. I had to spare my Baja, so she just bought this to replace the one that I gave her. So that's one item. Set that aside here. I got this box that came next day air, which kind of blew me away. I don't know. I didn't order anything next day air. So. It says window crank handle. That's a pretty big box for window crank handle. A little background behind this. Another Facebook user on the LMTV page that I admin had purchased a set of these in chrome, and I found black ones, and these actually work on the LMTV. They're heavy duty, they're robust, they're a lot better than the OEM stuff that comes on them. You just need to get a longer screw, a 30mm screw to go in it. So this is going to come into play in a future episode, so we'll set these aside for now. I'm sure you guys can appreciate the black door handles there. Got one more box here. Once again, I have no clue what this is. It says Parts Distributing Company from California, so I don't remember what I ordered. I think I'm losing my mind. Now I know what that term means. Looks like I got a duplicate order of door handles, window crank handles. Not quite sure why they sent 2 of them. Anyhow, well, plenty of window crank handles. That's all I got for unboxing today, guys. Let me kind of show you what I have in mind. Got a few things I want to work on today. As a side note, we have a cold front moving in right now that's supposed to dump some snow Sunday night, And so as the day goes on today, it's supposed to get cooler and cooler and cooler, and eventually below freezing. So it did stop raining, but that's supposed to come back. I figured out a simple way to lock this. Won't cost me anything, and I don't have to think about it anymore. So I'll show you guys that. Also, what was the other thing I was gonna do here? Oh, I have more of this rubber mat left, and the OEM toolbox area up front, I'm gonna cover that with this stuff because there's some holes in the bottom of it and it gets moisture in it. I'm just storing little propane refillable canisters in there right now, but it's something to do and I can use it. I think I have a bottle jack in there too. The other thing I want to do is dump all my zip ties on the floor, because that's always good. It's a great way to start your morning. Messing things up as we go along here. Okay, I've got one bin. Let's see, I think I've got one more. If I just get this out of here without dumping anything out. Oh, of course, everything falls on the floor. All right. I have 2 bins of T-bolt clamps in various sizes. Something I notice is every time I work on the motor in Abel, that their hose clamps and everything on there are all different and mismatched. So I want to create a universal system with these clamps. Now, I don't know if I have the right sizes to do every single thing on Abel, but I'm going to try to replace as many of them as I can with these. I've used these on Subarus for years. They're reliable, they're stainless. I like these a lot better than regular hose clamps. So I'm going to see if I can get the majority of those replaced. Weather pending, of course. If it starts dumping out, then I'm going to stop. But I guess let's get started on some of these projects, and we'll start with the way to lock that box that I made yesterday. to redo all of the intercooler couplings with T-bolt clamps here. I didn't have enough to do the radiator couplings, but that's alright. I was just trying to do some improvement on the OEM clamps on this vehicle, so worked out pretty good. Nice and shiny and new. I like that. Alright guys, that's going to be it from me today. And Blu-ray. Blu-ray wants to go in. Temperatures dropped about, I don't know, 5-10 degrees. So maybe that cold front's moving in sooner rather than later. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. And we'll catch you guys next time. Say bye-bye, Blu-ray. He doesn't want to say goodbye. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.